Hello, how you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing so well and feeling great. Thank you so much for tuning in today. As always, I appreciate you all for your endless support. If you see me for the first time, I am iGladon here. I make fashion content. I do a lot of haul video, how to style. If you like this kind of content, please do not hesitate to subscribe and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. As you can tell from the title of this video that we'll be doing 10 times 10 wardrobe staples outfits challenge. So if you're not familiar with this kind of video, this challenge, basically what it means is that you take 10 staples from your wardrobe and you create 10 outfits or more. So this is what we'll be doing today. So it will be interesting to know your opinion. Like I always on this platform, I love knowing your opinion. Let me know which was your favorite outfit that I created. Do you think I smashed it or not? So yeah, I really like it when you get engaged, when you tell me your thoughts. So basically, before I start showing you the outfits that I have created, I'm going to introduce the staples I have chosen for this video for you guys. So the first thing I'll be showing you guys is just this really nice cable jumper that I picked from Mango. Is really soft, so I picked this one last year. I really do like this jumper. It's really nice. And the next one is just a basic t-shirt I picked from Gap. This is, I think this one I've been using for like 2 years. It's really nice and soft as well. So the next item here is just a normal plaid t-shirt. It's just a basic oversized boyfriend t-shirt. I really do like this one. This is a great staple in my wardrobe. And so in terms of like the trousers, I picked 3 trousers. So I have this little beige trouser. This is straight leg with a slit at the side. This one is from Zara. I really do like this trouser a lot. You can see the details. The color is just amazing. And here I have a black mom jeans. And this blue one is a straight leg trouser. So these two jeans, they are from Zara as well. This mom jeans is my go-to. I've owned this mom jeans for like, I don't know, maybe like 2 years or more. I use this pretty much all the time. It's just amazing. It's so super comfortable. So this blue one is a straight leg, really like boyfriend sort of jeans. I really like the vibe I get from this jeans. So these are really nice staples to have in your wardrobe. Moving on, I have a slip dress here. So this one is from ASOS. I really do love the color of this slip dress. I think it's just amazing as well. So yeah, this is one of it. So I have a long cardigan here. So this one I bought last year from Mango. This is a really nice cardigan. It has like 2 pockets. So warm. It's like really nice. So it have like a tie belt at the back. So it's really nice long cardigan. If they still have this one, honestly, I would definitely recommend it because it's absolutely worth it. It's so worth the price. So this is a really good combo. And oh my goodness, honestly, this is a basic from H&M. Again, this is one of my staple. I've owned this black roll-up top for over like 2 years or so. It is a really good buy. I have used it, like I've brought it out. I've used it quite a lot already. The arms are so long. I can't wait to get hold of this in like the white, any color basically, because it's a great staple in my wardrobe. I love this. It's really nice. So this is what I will be playing with this whole outfit. Oh, and lastly, I have a biker jacket. So this one I bought from Whistle ages ago. So this is a great purchase in my wardrobe as well. I really do like this biker jacket. Everything I've showed you guys, they are absolutely 10 things. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So in total everything is 10. Enjoy watching, guys. So basically, guys, I used mainly on this with these 10 staples I mainly used these 2 ankle bolts for this video, and I think I used 2 belts as well. So you could always reduce that to 1, or you could even reduce everything to this just black ankle bolt. But this one is good because the color is very subtle. It go with most of the things I have on the rack here. I think this chunky bolt make appearance once, if I'm not wrong. Basically, it's just these 2 ankle bolts that mainly made an appearance, and again, I mainly use this handbag. So the idea behind this video is to probably when you're traveling, you don't want to take a lot of things. You could take 10 things, maybe 1 shoe or 2 shoes, and you can mix and match and reuse item the way you want it. So for me, very soon I'm going to be traveling, and this is a great video to do, and this is a great video that makes you think of how to pack your things in a nice way. I hope you enjoy watching. I really love the combinations. I love the black all black outfit. I love the slip dress. To be honest with you, I think most of the outfits I have styled here, they are absolutely beautiful. I personally enjoy doing this. And let me know your thoughts of all this combo that I have put together. I love a video like this because whenever you're going out, maybe you're going for a mini staycation, you're going on a trip or anything, business trip, you could just smartly pack and go. You know, you could just take like 10 pieces and you could use it to create so many looks. At the end of the day, you're not losing out. You're still looking polished, you're still looking put together and very stylish. This is one thing I like about this kind of content, and I think I'm going to be doing a series of this sort of content here. I will still be doing like recreation of outfits on this platform because I honestly do enjoy it, and I love doing like a week outfit idea. So you like the sound of that, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to put your bell on, as it will notify you whenever I put any content out. And thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you whenever you guys come back to watch my content. It means a lot to me. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.